Train up as a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it, says Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. A text from the Bible that I am very familiar with since I used to see it every day from my former school's hallway. It's so fascinating because now I fully understand what it means. Hello everyone, I am Tiger Sebastian Tolentino from grade 7 Blessed Manes. I will discuss why we should teach etiquette in school. From our early years, people have repeatedly interrupted us and asked us to sit, eat, talk, and do other things appropriately hundreds of times. We are frequently asked to act politely until we perfected all these behaviors. These taunts would not cease. My parents used to say that children are a reflection of their surroundings, and it's true. Children learn from different morals, values, either at home or in school. And what's so scary is that kids are learning manners from adults, whether we are teaching them or not. As they say, don't worry that children never listen to you. Worry that they are always watching you. So what is etiquette? Based on the dictionary, etiquette is the conduct or procedure required by good breeding or prescribed authority to observe in official or social life. In layman's terms, it simply means a proper behavior that is acceptable in our society. Unfortunately, proper conduct slowly starts to go to drain. Men holding doors for ladies, training children to call elders ma'am or sir, or requiring them to write thank you notes are all considered archaic and out of touch by some. However, there's no reason why this notion should be discouraged. We should always be courteous of other people and always say things like please and thank you. Not to argue, but the first impression is the last. And if you behave like a gentleman or a lady with proper etiquette, your impression can never go wrong. Why should we teach etiquette in schools? For me, teaching proper etiquette and good manners should not be the parent's sole responsibility. I strongly believe that the inclusion of etiquette in the school curriculum is highly appropriate nowadays, given the rapidly changing society that is full of rude and disrespectful people, as well as negativity around the world. Students will have the abilities necessary to communicate with others and settle disputes and misunderstandings that arise daily. And schools, as our second home, should not be limited only for our academic needs. Imagine if schools start teaching children etiquette at an early age, this will have a huge impact on their lives. It will help a child not only to live in harmony but will also make him feel better in life. Besides, learning etiquette is more than just what meets the eye. Sincerity and propriety are not the goals of etiquette, nor are social status, occupation, gender, race, or level of education. It is about more than just good manners. It is about presenting the best version of ourselves. Our thoughtful behaviors is not the only thing we are doing. It involves us putting other people's right and feelings first, ceasing to act rudely, and being conscious of their emotions. Then why we should teach etiquette in schools? Simply because we owe it to our kids to teach them manners and etiquette. Stressing the value of appropriate behavior that will help students obtain and maintain jobs, friends, and families is essential if we genuinely want to offer every student a chance to thrive. However, etiquette instruction is rarely given priority nowadays because of the increasing demands on teachers' time. We must recognize that children require a balanced and well-rounded education. To achieve this, one must possess both emotional and intellectual intelligence. We must teach these fundamental skills to children at school if they aren't being taught at home. Otherwise, children who lack manners will be left out in the dark through subtle social cues. This is why it is great of importance that they do know. Someone needs to tell them. Again, this is Tyler Sebastian Tolentino from Grade 7 Blessed Manes, and I hope you learned something from me. Thank you.